Hey survivors, it's your girl Ruriko here, and today my darlings, we're back here with another video. If you're not subscribed and still here, we go, thank you so much. Oh, I love you. But if this is the first time seeing you, girl, seeing my face, oh my god, where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell, because you won't be disappointed with any of the content that I bring to you, I promise. Without further ado, guys, this is a Birchbox opening, guys. So yes, it's a little bit late, as I said to you before, which you probably won't know because I tried to do this video before and then I went on a tangent, so I basically made that video into a little rant video. So I already opened the outside of the box, but I don't know what's in here, I promise, guys, because I literally was going through that video and then it was like, you know what, I'm gonna make this video into a so obviously that I opened it already. Okay, I opened the outer casing already, so we're just gonna get right into this. So first things first, darling. Oh, aloha. It's giving me the aloha vibe, very Hawaiian, leafy. Oh, I'm living for that. That is so cute. Oh yes, ma'am. I am, yes, we're doing this. We are doing this. I am living for this. So the gold with the leaves, yes, very aloha. I'm feeling that. Reminds me of you, sweetie. It really does. So I'm going to open it and oh, I see products. Okay, so let me just take them out. Oh, this one's, oh hell no. Birchbox, you're gonna do me like that? This was open, sweeties. Birchbox, no, wait, no. Considering how expensive Birchbox claims these things to be, look at this. Are you serious? Are you serious right now? So I got some dried up Birchbox, come on now, like you gotta do better than that. Oh my days. And it smells so good. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I'm upset. Yeah, you see this room. So I'm gonna read this leaflet. So this is our May box, because we are in May, sweeties. Yes, even though it's a little bit late, we still are in May. I am upset for May. May is a bad box. You are a bad box, May. You gave me all the alohas as well. You gave me all the welcomes to just shoot me down. So anyway, sweeties, so this was the Naive Unearthed Activated Charcoal Natural Deodorant Balm, and she looks like this, darlings. Yes, okay, so this is a 4-star review on Birchbox. So this has a 4-star review, but I cannot review it, Birchbox, because it's dried out inside. If you are listening and you are watching, honeys, like help a girl out, like seriously, like how am I gonna review this for you guys if it's gone? So anyway, I'm gonna read what it says with sad puppy eyes. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so this is, who said you had to rely on harsh chemicals to keep unwanted odors at bay? Who says this stuff? This all natural cream forgoes chemicals in favor of sweet absorbing arrowroot, antibacterial coconut oil, and soothing shea butter. I love me some shea butter, I really do. Shea butter, just smooth a pea-sized amount onto clean underarms to form an invisible shield. Oh hell! It smells so good. It smells so good, like so good, sweeties. I am so upset that I'm not going to be able to try this out, because I'm guessing it has a different texture to the dried out crust that's left in this. Next, right, next we have, this is, forgive me if I can't pronounce it, Amika. So this is Amika Bombshell Blowout Spray. It says, again, it is a 4-star rating on Birchbox. So it says it's easy to achieve a pro blow dry at home with a helping hand. From this lightweight spray, just spritz it through damp strands before styling to provide heat protection, texture, and lift. You can also mist it over dry hair for an extra dose of nourishment and to help keep your style in place, sweeties. So this is what it is. This is what it looks like. This is cute. I do love the whole psychedelic flowery paint floral type thing they got going on for this bottle. It's very cute. The bigger bottle looks like so. There she is. A big bottle, very spritzy. This one will say, oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm so sorry. This will set you about $7.99. hold on. Right, so this is not full size because it doesn't have the little blue tag. So this is not full size, but the full size version of this will set you about $7.99, and the full size version of this will set you about $14.99. So I am living for those products. Those products are quite cute, very different, because even though yeah I'm not gonna be able to use whatever, it's cute. Like, this is deodorant, guys. Like, this literally is a cream base that you just rub onto your pits, and it's meant to just be like odors away. I would definitely believe that this works because it's the smell of it is very potent and very beautiful. Unless you got like some really crazy like BO armpit and it's not working for you, but you know, if you're just normal, you normally sweat or whatever, I think that definitely would work. But okay, again, I didn't get to test it out, so I can't really say. Natural body wash, relaxing geranium, I have no idea, and peppermint. It's from Green Frog Botanics, and it says Beauty Shortlist Awards 2017 Editor's Choice. So it's won an award. This company or this wash won an award. It's not very clear, but yeah, so this one here again is not full size. The full size one will set you back £8.95, and it says it's not just the brand name that's green. This organic formula is cruelty free. You know I live for cruelty free, vegan, and completely free from chemical nasties. Breaming with moisturizing aloe vera and spaghetti rich. You're killing me with these names, okay? No, let's talk. You're killing me with these names. I cannot pronounce certain things. I can hardly pronounce my own name, guys. Like, seriously, these names. Soap berries. This gentle wash cleanses your skin while maintaining pH levels, which is very important. It's great for sensitive skin, eczema, and psoriasis. I think that's how you pronounce psoriasis. I'm sorry if it's not that. And this is what the bottle is. It is cute. Sorry, too much shining like a diamond just there. You see, it was bright, honeys. 0% barber bands. Yeah. Okay, moving on to the next. So this is called, oh girl, it is glistening. So this is called Diushi. If it's wrong, it's wrong. Diushi Luscious Lip Stain in Streaming Red or Amber. I think I was able to pick this one. I'm not sure. I'm sure this is the one that I was meant to pick, and I picked Steamy Red. It doesn't look like a red. It looks like a very nudie color. This doesn't give me red vibes. It gives me very nude, just very nude, dude. Like very nude colors. This is not the bigger one. This is a completely different packaging to the actual full size, whereas with the other products they kind of made their miniature versions the same. But if you can see this, sweetie, this is meant to be the lip stain right here, and this is what we actually get for the miniature version of it. So different packaging there, and this one says wave goodbye to lipstick touch-ups. This pigmented liquid formula applies matte, dries fast so it won't transfer onto anything, and lasts for hours. Even better, unlike other matte lip products, this long-lasting formula glides on smoothly for comfortable all-day wear. Okay, so it's cute for what it is. It's like right, so it's cute for what it is. You know, you can pop this in your bag and you can literally put this in your purse. It's that tiny. It's tiny, it's cute. And for a lip stain, do you really need a whole load of product? So yeah, this is cute. I would have to obviously test it out, but £21 for a lip stain, sweeties, I'm not really living for that price. But if it does the trick, you would pay the money. And then we come to Ico. So this is a skinny liquid eyeliner. Oh wow, you would think that this is full size, but apparently it doesn't have the sticker on it. So you're meant to have this little sticker that actually tells you full size, but it doesn't have that on it. So I'm like, this is like normal size, right? I guess not. I guess it's quite short, but this is what it looks like. Very cute with the white writing and the black background, and then you have a cute little tip there. I live for these type of things. You know, I love me some wings. I'm surprised I didn't do any now, but I just wanted to kind of like do the gold there instead of having like a wing, so I did the gold instead. This is whether you're a newbie or a winged eyeliner pro. Well, darling, I do try. This easy to use pen style applicator will have you lining and defining your eyes in a flash. I like that, lining and defining in a flash. Lining and defining in a flash. Yep. So eyelining and defining in a flash. Use the tip to draw a few dots as close to your upper lashes as possible, then simply connect the dots for a goof proof line. The trade resistant formula will last all day and night. Okay, I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that. I like this. This is cute. This is cute. I like that. You know, this is the reason why, obviously you might have seen my other video, but this is the reason why I love Birchbox. I am living for you guys. I have nothing negative to ever say. I love what you do with the boxes. I literally love the products that you get. I wouldn't even know about half of the products out there if I didn't have a Birchbox, because literally I wouldn't have come across cream deodorant ever. But what I would say is they're very much half and half. So they're very about the skin, the hair, you know, your body. And I generally wanted a box that was just all about makeup, just all makeup, brushes, makeup, everything. And that's the reason why I kind of went there, because as you can see, it was half and half. We had like a lip stain, eyeliner. Yeah, literally that was basically it for makeup. We had these two products and that's it, which is cute for what it is. But you know, that's the reason why I tried to go to Glossy Box, and we all know how that ended, sweeties. But yes, I'm feeling this box. This has been your May Birchbox and I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. This must be the best out of packaging that they have done. I love the whole, you know, Hawaiian theme. I am living for it. So it's been your girl Ruriko Yamazaki here. It's not that your love and your all that anybody needs, sweetie, and I'll catch you, yes you, the one that came to the end of the video, hand of your girl. I'll catch you on another video. Mwah! Yeah.